Now is the time and place for a public hearing. Would the clerk please call the roll?
Yes,
Read the
ma'am.
short title.
Yes, Madam President. This public hearing is relative to authorizing renovation of a special use permit granted to 1202 through 1206 East Colvin Street. The property has been the site of recent unlicensed cannabis sales, unlicensed tobacco sale, and unlawful sale of flavored vapor products.
Thank you. And before we get started, some housekeeping. When you come up to the mic to speak, please state your name and your address so that we'll know who we're speaking with. So as it stands, is there anyone here to, I'm sorry. Craig Billingson? Yes, sir, you can come up to the mic. Oh, and you have 2 minutes to speak.
There is a stenographer, so if they can speak loud and clear.
Good afternoon, Craig Billinson, attorney. My office is at 342 South Salina Street. I represent the Big SU Food Market and the owners of the
Can you speak into
food.
the mic, sir?
I'm sorry.
Can you speak into the mic?
I am sorry. I represent the Big SU Food Market, and the owners are here present with me tonight. There was previously scheduled a hearing with code enforcement regarding the denial of the certificate of use. I contacted Rob Carpenter of City Law Department and requested an adjournment of that because I hadn't seen the incomplete file at that point. I just was retained this past week, basically. Not this week, the week before. And Rob was cordial enough to grant the adjournment request. So there has not been a hearing on the issue of the denial of the certificate of use. And I'm requesting that the Common Council also table this public hearing or continue it to give me an opportunity to complete my review and to confer with Attorney Carpenter to see if there's some resolution that we could offer that would be satisfactory to the city.
Continue, sir. Thank you. And Bob Carpenter?
Good afternoon, councilors. My name is Rob Carpenter. I'm an attorney here at the City of Syracuse in the Department of Law. The address is 233 East Washington Street. Just to briefly touch on Mr. Billinson's points, there are a couple of different procedures going on here. Right here, this one is a hearing request or a request that Zoning Administrator Jake DeShaw submitted to the Common Council to revoke the property's special use permit. His justifications for that is in a report that was submitted to the Common Council. As Mr. Billinson pointed out, The Division of Code Enforcement is also beginning procedures to deny the store that operates there their certificate of use application. When the Division of Code Enforcement denies that application, they have to have a separate administrative proceeding hearing where the division presents their case for that. The business owner has an opportunity to present their case for why the denial is not justified, and then a neutral hearing officer makes a determination on that. So they are two separate proceedings. The store owner will have an opportunity on the division determination on the certificate of use separately. I granted the request, Mr. Billinson's request for the certificate of use hearing so that he could have plenty of time to prepare for that. I don't have the authority to grant an adjournment for the public hearing. That obviously flows through the Common Council. I don't see a reason why we need to adjourn this to allow the other proceeding to proceed. The reasons for Mr. DeShaw's request for a revocation are, I believe, well articulated in the report. There was unlicensed cannabis sales occurring at the property. There was unlicensed tobacco sales occurring, and there was recently a violation issued by the Onondaga County Health Department for illegal flavored vapes. Flavored vapes are vape products that are illegal in the state of New York. As outlined in Mr. DeShaw's report, all of those are violations of local licensing schemes. That's a violation of the, sorry, forgive me, I'll be brief, the special use permit that has been previously issued to the property. Based on that violation, Mr. DeShaw believes, as articulated in his report, that that has had a detrimental impact on the surrounding neighborhood. And the Office of Zoning Administration would ask that the Common Council vote to revoke the special use permit. I'm happy to answer any questions that the Common Council might have for that.
This is a public hearing, we can't ask you.
Sure, okay, sorry, forgive me. Sounds good. Thank you, councilors.
Righty. Is there anyone else that would like to speak? All righty. Hearing none, I declare this public hearing closed, and the legislation will be considered during the regular order of business. Thank you.